guys, my name's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick 5-minute clean with me. If you're new to my channel, I post a video every Tuesday in a series that I call Tidy Up Tuesday, just hoping to provide a little extra motivation to tackle the areas in your home that need a little extra attention. In today's video, I'm going to be moving all of my major living room furniture and just cleaning and vacuuming underneath. Typically, I do this every December. We rearrange the living room furniture and set it up differently so that we can put our Christmas tree in front of the large window. We actually didn't end up doing that this year, so this has not been moved in quite a while and cleaned out. I found a lot of toys, I found dishes, I found puzzle pieces, and then just a lot of dust and debris as well as dog hair. I have found that if I just use my hand on the side of the couch to get all of the dog hair that accumulates between the pieces of my sectional, that's the best way to remove it. I'm just going to move around the living room and pull all of the furniture out and then clean underneath. I'm always amazed at how many things get caught underneath the couch and accumulate by not doing this regularly. If this is an issue that you have and you find that the underneath of your couch gets really disgusting, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, letting me know that you can relate with my struggle. I've been asked multiple times about this living room area rug. This is actually an indoor-outdoor rug that we found at Target. We had gone through several of these large area rugs, and having a German Shepherd that sheds all the time, they would just get matted down and gross quickly. And area rugs, especially this size of area rugs, are really expensive. I just wasn't willing to spend the money to get another expensive rug that was just going to ultimately be ruined by the dog. I have found that because this is meant to be either indoor or outdoor, that it's held up much better, and they're also significantly more affordable. This rug was in the spring line last year at Target, so I'm not sure that it's still available, but if you're trying to find a solution of how to deal with a large area rug and having a dog, I would definitely recommend looking into indoor-outdoor rugs. Because my house isn't very big, I do store large pieces of wall decor behind this hutch. It's easy enough to move and access the items when I'm ready to use them, but keeps them out of sight and easily tucked away while I'm not using them. I'm going to finish up this room by just putting away the pillows and the blankets. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. You can do so by clicking on my face on the right side of your screen. And if you'd like to watch an additional video that I have filmed, you can go ahead and click on the video on the left side of your screen. I hope that you are all staying happy and healthy. Bye!